Hello, I'm Vikrant. A department store used the following code to mark its prices secretly. FINDBYZEAL were coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 respectively. Due to unforeseen circumstances, it had to change code to WRITESABLY as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. The question is, the price of an item is FIB. The management wanted to increase it by rupees 5. What will be the increased price in the new code? The solution is, if you look at the code FIB was 1, 2 and 5. That is, the price was 125. It had to increase it by rupees 5. So the price was 130. So the new price or the new code for 130 will be, if you look at the chart, it will be 130. It will be 1, 3 and 0. So it will be WINY. So the answer is second. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. A department store used the following code to mark its prices secretly. FINDBYZEAL were coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 respectively. Due to unforeseen circumstances, it had changed the code to WRITESABLY as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 respectively. The question is, a clerk at the counter reads the tag as IEL, which was overlooked while coding a fresh. The clerk charged as per the new code. How much did the clerk charge? The solution is, he has charged as per the new code, that is IEL. If you look at the new coding, IEL was coded as 3, 5 and 9. So IEL was 3, 5 and 9. If you look at the old code, IEL was 2, 8 and 0. So in the old case, IEL was 280. So the respective difference come down to be 359 minus 280, that will be 79. Therefore answer is fourth, that is, he must charge rupees 79. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. In a certain code language, pod na jok means very bright boy, tam nu pod means the boy comes, no per ton means keep the doll, and jok ton su means very good doll. Question is, which of the following means bright in that language? The solution is, if you look at the statement 1 and 2, we'll observe that pod is the common word in these two statements, that is, pod appears in statement 1 and pod appears in statement 2. So from these two statements we can easily say that pod means boy, that is in the first statement as well as in the second statement. So we can comment that pod means boy. Similarly, from statement 1 and 4 we can observe that the word jock is appearing in 1 as well as in 4. So as per the given statement, we can say that jock means very. In this case it is very, and in this case also we have the common word. So jock means very. So we have the coding for jock and pod in the first statement. So we can say that na means bright. So the answer is therefore fourth, that is, bright in that language means na. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, in a certain code, 256 means you are good, 637 means we are bad, 358 means good and bad. Which of the following represents and in that code? The solution is, if you look at this first and the third statement, that is, we have the common digit as 5, that is here 5 and here 5, and the common word we are observing in here is good. That is, good is present in the first as well as the third statement, that is here and here. So we can say that 5 means good. So in the second and third statement we have the common digit as 3, that is here as well as here, and the common word we have here are bad. So we can say that 3 indicates bad. So from the first statement and the third statement we can easily comment that third statement here means 8, that is 8 therefore means and in that code. So the answer is third. Thank you.